morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video throughout the world. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. Uh, I want to share this video to you how to fight witchcraft with just ordinary salt. The item you need for this work is salt and flat stainless bowl or tray, any one of the two. Let me analyze this so that you can know the value of this work. Many are falling victim to witchcraft on daily basis. The act of witchcraft is so critical and secretive. The only few can survive or resist the antics of the witchcraft and the wizards. Mother at times bewitch their son, while wives too can bewitch their husband and vice versa. Now, let's get to how to do this work. Get a small flat stainless bowl or tray, pour a considerate amount of salt on it, then pray the deliverance prayer of your choice into it in your own language and according to your faith. Make sure you are alone in a secluded place and must be naked when doing this prayer. Muslims can recite the verses of the Quran that are known for deliverance. Christians can also recite verses of the Holy Book, which it serves as deliverance verses. So you can Google it so that you can understand the exact psalm or the Quran chapter you need to open. So, and if you do not know any verse, you can say the prayer in your own language which you understand, because I know that what we believe is different from each other. Please do not swear or say something negative against yourself or anybody while doing this prayer, because it is very dangerous and may backfire. Then after the prayers, spit 7 times into the bowl containing the salt. You have to spit like this. I think you understand. Then place the bowl in an open place overnight. Allow morning dew to fall on it. Then throw the salt on an utter crossroad where people can see it and probably match it. It works. Yes, this is simple, but it works. If you don't understand this, please watch this video once again so you can understand my explanation very well. May God answer our prayers. Please don't forget to share this video with your friend. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section. So thank you so much. God bless you.